the Brave by Ed Vere. Read by me, Sherry. Max the Brave. This is Max. Doesn't Max look sweet? Max looks so sweet that sometimes people dress him up in ribbons. Max does not like being dressed up in ribbons. Because Max is a fearless kitten. Max is a brave kitten. Max is a kitten who chases mice. Max the Brave just needs to find out what a mouse looks like, and then he will chase it. Maybe Mouse is in there. Max bravely explores the can. Mouse, are you in? Mouse isn't here. Oh, hello. Are you Mouse? No, I'm Fly, says Fly. But I just saw Mouse scurry by a moment ago. Maybe this is what Mouse looks like. Excuse me, please, but are you Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Fish, says Fish. But I just saw Mouse dash outside. Oh, careful, please. Ah, that must be Mouse, up in the tree. Excuse me, please, but are you Mouse? We are not mouse, we are birds, say the birds. But we did see Mouse scoot by. Excuse me, would you happen to be Mouse? Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Elephant, says Elephant. But I did see Mouse skitter by. Oh, thank you very much, says Max. And you? Nope, that away. Hello there. Are you Mouse by any chance? Who, me? No, certainly not. I'm Monster, squeaks Mouse. But I did just see Mouse asleep over there. If you're very quick, you might catch him. Thank you very much, says Max. This must be Mouse. I didn't know Mouse was so big. Excuse me, Mouse. Will you wake up, please? I am Max the Brave, and I have come to chase you. Wakey, wakey, Mouse! Yells Max as he bounces up and down on the monster's head. I am Max the Brave, and I chase mice, and I might just eat you up too. I didn't know Mouse had such big teeth. Gulp. Yuck! Max decides that chasing mice is not all it's cracked up to be. And anyway, he doesn't need to be Max the Brave all the time. Unless he's out chasing monsters.
I hope you enjoyed learning all about Max the Brave, read by me, Sherry. Check the description box below for buying options. And don't forget to watch out for other books by Ed Vere. See you in the next video. Bye!